Good morning, children. How are you? So every children are every fourth class. That is fourth class children are fine. I am thinking. So you are not going outside and you are not playing much. So you are listening my classes as well as you are doing work whatever I am giving. I am thinking. So children, when you will read, మీరు చదివినప్పుడు మీరు చదువుకున్నప్పుడు అయినా సరే మీరు చదువుకోకపోతే మీ పేరెంట్స్కి చాలా బాధగా ఉంటుంది. దే విల్ బీ ఫీల్ సో మచ్ బ్యాడ్ అబౌట్ యూ. సో ప్లీజ్ నౌ ద హాలిడేస్ ఆర్ దేర్, జస్ట్ వీఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్. సో ప్లీజ్ కోఆపరేట్, మీ పేరెంట్స్ తోటి కోఆపరేట్ చేసి వాళ్ళకు యూ షుడ్ నాట్ బీ సాడ్నెస్, వాళ్ళ బాధ పెట్టకుండా ప్లీజ్ లిజన్ టు దేర్ వర్డ్స్. నౌ వీఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్. సో if you listen online classes, whatever it may be, children, whatever it may be, in the front of you and me also it may be, now in the online classes it may be, you should be success. Ante if you keep concentration, mana mind petti meer chaduvute, you are the good child for them. You are the very very good. They are sacrificing me kosam, they are sacrificing the phones also, they are giving. And if you are not having smartphones, smartphones lekapothe they are buying for you. So children, once think, they are doing sacrifice as well as they are giving for you. So now they are not having money, but also they are giving for you books, everything they are preferring మీ కోసం ప్రతి ఒక్కటి వాళ్ళు ఇస్తున్నారు. So you also keep concentration and study. So books, if you are not having books, you take books and be study. So if you take books, if whatever I am telling, I will read the lesson. So you just catch it and read off. If you are not understanding, you can take your parents' help or tuition teacher help, children. So good morning everyone. So today the class 4. So we have completed 8 lessons, children. 8 lessons we have been completed. Today we are going to the lesson number 9. That is teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. So children, after completing 10 lessons, I will give one lesson is there. No, I will give question answers also from first lesson to. I will write one day question answers also. Don't worry, everything I will explain you briefly. Okay. So children, teeth. What is mean by teeth, children? Mana panlu. Teeth ante this is our teeth. Okay. So you are also having teeth. Everyone know what is mean by teeth? Panlu. So here microbes. The microbes means I will explain you. Present in the teeth, microbes, how they present I will tell you. Okay. So microbes are in the deep explanation I will explain, but now first what is mean by teeth? So it is helping for chewing the food. Next it is helping for what? Any hard substances ante manam gattiga unneti pagalagottadani. So if you are not having teeth, we cannot eat, we will become old. So teeth are very important to chew the food and whatever it may, we will eat, chocolates, it may be toffees, whatever it may be, it is important. So how we have to care the teeth? Now in this lesson we will read and briefly we will read. Okay, how many teeth are there, what is temporary teeth, what is permanent teeth, whatever it may be about the teeth, now we will go through. Animals have special mouth part that helps in eating, whether it is sucking, biting or chewing the food. So first given about animals. So ikkada animals, they have special teeth. You know animals ki special teeth untai, manalaga untunda? No, they will be not like us. They will, buffalo, it will have this much big, it will chew the food. So different animals, different teeth. Snake also, they have sharp teeth to bite us. So here mouth parts helping eating, whether it is sucking ante the blood పీల్చుకోవడం. Sucking, what is mean by sucking? రక్తాన్ని పీల్చుకోవడం. మన యొక్క ఇది ఇందా sucking with the teeth only, it is help of sucking it will take a blood. Biting, కుట్టడం. Chewing, నమలడం. Okay, these all are special in the animals. Teeth are special features. So here he is giving the special features of mammals. Teeth help in biting and chewing the food. So I explained you how the teeth will help biting, chewing, like this, నమలడానికి, కొరకడానికి. So teeth also help us to speak. Yes, while we are speaking, how we will speak? With the help of only teeth. So now I am speaking how? So when we don't have lip, will tell. So like that, the old people you observe, they will do like that only. So here, healthy teeth play an important role in digestion. So how the digestion it takes place? The help of teeth. Yesterday I explained you children. Mouth, chewing, namaladam. See here our mouth. Next it will be do like a saliva. So in this also it came. How it helps to chew అంటే డైజెస్ట్ అరగడానికి కోసం పండ్లలో నములుతాము. నమిలిన తర్వాత అవి ఫుడ్ మొత్తగా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఫుడ్ పైప్లోకి వెళ్తుంది. దట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ డైజెషన్. ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ మౌత్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ డైజెషన్. Teeth not only make our smile bright, but they also help in biting, chewing food properly digestion. Teeth also help in shape of our face. So what he is telling, not only chewing, biting and proper digestion. It is a help in chewing, digestion and the proper digestion avadani kuda ee teeth help chesayi. Teeth also give shape to our face. ఈ teeth untene proper it for me teeth is there. If teeth not there, how I looks? It looks badly. So here it is giving our face a particular shape. We have 2 sets of teeth in our lifetime. So he is telling how many life there are 2 lives time of a teeth. What is temporary? First one is temporary teeth. First one is temporary. The second one is permanent teeth. So here temporary teeth, permanent teeth. These are two lifetime. There are 2 lifetime teeth are there. First one is temporary teeth. Second one is permanent teeth. Now we will learn what is meant by temporary and permanent teeth. So children, again temporary or milk teeth. So here he is giving temporary is milk teeth means you know small children from the age 0 to 8 years 7 years they will have milk teeth. The permanent teeth is now we are the from the 15 years. Okay, from the 10 to 12 years also they will go. So 12 to it is a permanent teeth. Okay, children upon the age 7 or 8 have temporary. See 7 to 8. So here he given 7 to 8 years there are temporary teeth. So permanent teeth they are 20 in numbers. So children, how many? Here 20 teeth they have to the temporary teeth. At the age 7 to 8, the permanent teeth growing, falling, temporary teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth in the adults. So here permanent. So adults and it's ours. We have how many teeth? 32 teeth. 32 teeth from the adult. So temporary teeth ఏంటిది? అవి పాల పండ్లు అంటారు. చిన్న పిల్లలకు వస్తాయి. అవి ఫస్ట్ ఏమవుతాయి? ఊసిపోతాయి. వాళ్ళు పెద్దగా అవుతున్న కొద్దీ 7 ఇయర్స్ కాగానే పండ్లు ఊసిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. తర్వాత వాళ్ళు ఒక ఏజ్కి వచ్చినాక దే ఆర్ 15. సో 10 to here the age of 30 whatever it may be, it will be the age. How many teeth? 32 teeth. Okay, that is known as permanent teeth. There are 32 permanent teeth in total adults. Adults can untie for me it is now 32 teeth. Kids of the teeth. Now here he is telling kids. Kids ante evaru? You are only the kids. So here you know now what are the 2 time lifetime, that is permanent time, temporary and permanent. So now we are moving to the kinds of teeth. Kinds ante rakarakala teeth. There are 4 types of teeth. How many types of teeth? 4 types of teeth in a permanent set. Each kind of teeth it is specific function. So first one is inferior or cutting teeth. The first one is this one. So inferior and cutting teeth is a first permanent set. There are 4 front teeth sharpened like chisels in the each jaw. We use them to bite our food. There are front 4 teeth like chisels to bite each jaws. They have bite our food. Inferior and cutting teeth. Front 4. ఈ యొక్క front 4 how will use to cut the food. It is a front jaws. The second one is caninus or tearing teeth. So this is the caninus. So it is a tearing ante itla gunjadam. Okay, they will eat ila gunjukuntu tinadam. On either side of a cutting teeth is sharp teeth. Either side it is a sharp cutting teeth. Now we will eat non-veg. How you will tear? With the help of like this you will tear. These are caninus and other used for tearing. For these caninus teeth are to use cut. What for use to tear? Ante now if any chicken leg piece is there, how will you eat like this? So this is the caninus or tearing teeth. The third one is premolar. The third one is premolar or cracking teeth. So this is the premolar and cracking teeth. The last one is molar. Molars or grinding teeth. So first one is premolar. Cracking ante entidi? You know what is mean by cracking. These are both teeth next to caninus. So they act like nut crackers. There are 4 premolar of each chair. So there are nut crackers. Nut crackers means walnuts, whatever it may be, they used to cut. So these are the 4 premolar for the each jaws. Molar or grinding teeth. There are the border than the premolar and have border upper surface to grind the food. Upper surface to grind the food. What are molars? There are 6 molars in each jaw. So premolar they have 4. In this they have 6. These are 4 molars. In this 6 molar. So these are the kinds of teeth: inferior or cutting, caninus or tearing teeth, premolar or cracking teeth, molar or grinding teeth are the 4 kinds of teeth. So here now we have learned the 4 types of teeth. So once I will show here, rearrange the letters and write their names of these teeth. So now we have learned the teeth. Okay. So here he is asking to once to rearrange this and write there in the textbooks. Now you understood what are the kinds of teeth. So next we will move to the formative assessment here. Here he is asking, first one is, which one this is teeth? Inferior. The second one is molar. The third one is canine. The fifth one premolar. So first one is inferior, molar, canine and premolar. These 4 teeth are now I has been explained for you. So here he given the teeth. See, like this it will be koshaga. Next here it is teeth. This one is this teeth. This is the sharp teeth. This one. So he given here. So children here, look at your teeth in the mirror. So this is a formative assessment. So do in the homework in textbook. So you have to once see your face. Once I'll explain you, wait. With the help of textbook I'll explain how to. So here a boy is seeing his teeth here. So in the mirror count and complete the table given. So inferior teeth ennu unnai, upper lower jaw total. Next canine upper jaw lower jaw, premolar upper ennu unnai lower ennu unnai, molar. So once this formative assessment do yourself, see in the mirror. Okay, so see in the mirror and do it, children. So now I will go to the structure of tooth. Structure of a tooth. So here everyone know what is a tooth. So how the structure is there? Tooth of structure. Structure of a tooth. So here he is asking the structure of a teeth. A tooth has two parts, the crown and the root. They have two parts. That is crown, next root. Root undi, crown undi. The portion of the tooth seen above the gum is called crown. The tooth portion of above the gum is called crown. The portion of tooth inside of the gum is known as root. Lopala baita. This is outside, inside of the teeth. It is known as root. Crown, it is outside of a teeth. Gum here is telling. The cross section of molar tooth in the shown on the next page. The outer layer is very hard. The outer layer is very hard. Here he is showing in the next page the what is mean by cross section of molar. This is called enamel. What is this? Is known as enamel. The layer below of enamel is called dentine. The layer of enamel is known as dentile. Dentine is like a bone. Dentile is like a bone. The layer below enamel is called dentine. Dentine is like a bone. The soft metal inside the dentine is called pulp. The soft here enamel. Next it becomes dentine. Next it is known as pulp. Inside the soft material is known as pulp. There are nerves and blood vessels in pulp. Though there are nerves and blood vessels in the nerves. Pulp. The nerves are contained to the gum through the hole of the tooth. Here the hole of the tooth, root of the tooth. So here children, here is asking the structure of a tooth. So once I will explain the structure of a tooth for you. So now you understood now children what is the enamel. So it is this is called enamel. The outer layer very hard. So this is called enamel. The layer of the below enamel is called dentine. Dentile is like a bone. The soft material, that is dentine, is called pulp. So here in this all we have learned what is mean by tooth. So he is asking to the structure. He is asking to the structure of teeth. What is mean by structure? Here he given the structure. Ante mani oka teeth structure ichchadu. Here he given the structure of a teeth. It is very easy. You can also do it in the formative assessment. Very easy this one. So small homework again I am giving for you. Formative assessment. Structure of a tooth. Very easy it is. So if you are not getting it, so tomorrow I will write the parts for this. Okay. (63) in the textbook you have to do it children. So here very easy. This is a upper. Now we have learned what is inferior, what is molar, premolar. So once look at this picture, you can be briefly known it. Once look at this picture, you can also find it very easily. What is the structure of a tooth. So again my small I will explain you this one. So ikkada mana yokka teeth gurinchi ikkada adigaru. First em cheppadu, here 4 teeth, again here down sharp teeth, inferior, premolar, molar, canine, these all are the teeth. So here in the picture he given for you. సో స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ టూత్, మన యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ టీత్, ఒక టీత్ ఇచ్చాడు, దాని యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్ మొత్తం లేబుల్ చేసి పార్ట్స్ రాయమన్నారు. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ గెటింగ్, టుమారో ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ ద అండ్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ద వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ టూత్. సో వన్స్ యూ ఆల్సో, మీరు కూడా ట్రై చేస్తే ఇట్ ఈస్ నో ప్రాబ్లమ్, యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో బి ట్రైడ్. What is now I explained what is in my inferior canine, what is a premolar, molar. So here again I went what to how it takes. So first structure of a tooth also I explained you. First how what it will get, enamel, next dentine, next pulp. So how it comes, what are the hard substances to the tooth I explained you children. So you also take care of a once subject I am telling, take care of this and listen carefully. Whenever you listen carefully, concentrate, if you keep, it is good for you to learn, very easy it will make. So listen, your parents are sacrificing, మీ పేరెంట్స్ చాలా సాక్రిఫైస్ చేస్తున్నారు for you. They are giving the phones, whatever we are giving the lessons, they are giving the phone and they are not for time pass, they are giving, they are also thinking they must be very good, మా పిల్లలు కూడా చదవాలి. So teachers are telling, but you are doing, you also do better to your parents. Okay, so thank you children, thank you very much. Tomorrow I will continue the structure of the tooth, that is the label parts. So thank you very much children.